This is the Angel Wing channel. My name is Jasmaine, and today we're making icebox Butterhorn Rolls, and we are going to use yeast, water, warm milk, sugar, eggs, salt, and flour, and butter. And again, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. You will need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now we are going to add the yeast to the water. Let it dissolve. That should take about 5 minutes. Now we are going to add milk, sugar, eggs, salt, and flour. Add half the salt every time. Sometime. And mix it well. Now we're going to add the rest of the flour and mix the rest of it. Sometimes it's best to mix all of it with your hands so you can get all of it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the butter in while I'm mixing. Well, that would be good. Oh. Now we are going to let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours. I'm going to wrap it with plastic wrap. Is it somewhere warm, and that would be in the oven. Now that the dough has risen, now we're going to cut it into 3 pieces. Don't forget the dough is really sticky, so don't forget to put down more flour. Ready? Oh. Now we're going to cut them into triangles.
No.
Now, since we got them cut, now we're going to roll them. Now all the things are all rolled. Now it's time to butter them and then get it to the pan. And don't forget to grease your pan. They'll get sticky. Guess not. Yeah. Now make sure you put it to 15 minutes. Now that they have been baked, you can put more butter on them to make more flavor. And then, even so, you can put them back in the refrigerator and to eat them later. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching my channel.